the camera, guys, keeps going on and off. I got to get used to this. So yeah. So George had to get a few things. Like I said, I had to get the vacuum. I'll show you later. Bob wanted some milk. I got him a gallon of milk. See, when he pays the rent money, I actually pay extra more, a little bit more. And the reason for it is because I'll pick up a few things for Bob using my money for the rent and everything else. So what I normally pay, I pay over the amount, so Bob is happy. But I told him, I said, when I get my own place, he goes, I know, I got to pay everything. I said, yeah, you want internet? You got to pay for it. If you want this, you got to pay for it. He goes, yeah, I know. So Bob knows. Let's see, we'll put this down here. Oh, this camera's hot as frick. There we go. Pringles, sour cream, and onion. They're good, but they're hot. That's what happens if you leave this in the sun. Your chips get twice baked. This one says collect all 50 states and get 100. And then you can enter win $1 million. This is Nevada. See how there it says Nevada right there? So yeah. Let's get that, break it, crush it, take it. Behind the seat, we're good. Oh, let's see. Put the seat back down. Okay, let us get the button. I think I could do this while driving. It's right here. I think, but I think it's got a steering. Papa John's Pizza. George heading into his bank. But barbecue chicken? Hawaiian chicken? Is that Hawaiian? No, it's just, okay, it's pineapple pizza. It's called the Hawaiian combo. So, yep. That's what's going on right now. So after here, George goes into Smith's. And then he just wants to go to Walmart. No Smart and Final, so it's a short day. So yeah, short day. So I got to get used to aiming this. I'm not used to it. Alright. Guess what, guys? The middle of it actually hit, and what it hit was, you know this, that little rim that goes around the things, and it turned it off on the back. So you guys can see me. Not like John Cena, you can't see me, but in the heat, it's like, you can't, ooh, it's hot. Now people, if you have friends, and you're friends with them, okay, and you think they're going to do something to you, but you're not sure, so you go ahead and block them so they won't block you first, you're a douchebag. I'm not saying who, but you are a douchebag. Now, I don't get along with everybody, and I really don't, because I don't like everybody. In fact, I'm an asshole to everybody. If I joke with you, I like you. If I don't say a word to you, I don't like you. Getting the point? Apparently a lot of people don't get the point. So yeah. So we're going to pull out and see if George is over there. I didn't wait inside for him to... I was pushing the cart around. I started getting tired. Then this one guy thought he was funny. He goes, "Hey, you look tired. Take this cart. It's a power cart." And I said, "What's wrong with it?" I'm thinking to myself, what's wrong with it, right? So I go ahead, and I've already put my stuff in the car, so I'm standing there. So I sit on the cart. I turn the handle. I saw it was dead, so I don't like that. So, and he goes, "Ha ha." And I jumped out of the cart and headed toward him. He took off running. He goes, "Holy shit, that fat guy can move." Yeah, I can move. Short distance, fast sprint. Yes, I can. Who can roll a joint up? Do a little blunt. Take a dab or two and grind up all your stuff. Marijuanaeo can. Marijuanaeo can. Marijuanaeo can, 'cause I can't roll a blunt or a joint or two. Look at these fucking camel mitts. Marijuanaeo toke, dab and smoke all the marijuana he wants to. Share it with people he wants to. You can even take a toke too. So come with me and we'll see, and do a dab for your imagination. Take and smoke all that THC that you see can be there too. If you want to smoke marijuana, you can go ahead and do it. People out there often do it. If you don't want to do it, just screw it. Might be twice baked, but tastes good. Quick, guys, grab a camera. Oh, it's really hot. So the sun's sitting here. I'll talk to you in a while. Peace, people. You know what? I hate when these things get hot. You can't even touch them. Oh! Ow! There you guys go. Wally World. Wally World. So yeah. George made it too, but it's Wally World. Oi. So did you have fun with Wally World?
Yeah, I did.
He said yes.
Another month, maybe. Another month.
Whew. This camera's black. It's absorbing the heat. Right now it says 120 degrees. As soon as we get over the river, it'll be 122 and 123. Yeah.
She did.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll talk to you guys later, alright? Peace. The heck? Where's the button on this? Hold on. I know there's a button on it. Hot.
Smoking hot.
Now it went down 2 degrees, believe it or not. It said 122.
You hold that for one.
Yeah, okay.
Gotta take mine. Take it out. Okay. Again.
Hey guys. So, why is it upside down? Hold on. It went upside down. I do apologize. Got a new one for the Rick and Morty. Right here. We're good. Got Taco Bell. All good. Yep. George has to come out. He has a big trash can that's clean, that's strapped to a dolly, you know, for moving things. He loads them up and stuff, so yeah. And he helps bring them into the house. Oh. The fuck? These are the hard end of the lettuce. Taco Bell's got some nerve. They're going to hear about it. And yes, I'll call the Yum Corporation in China, because they have an American phone number and you can go to you for an 800 number. So yeah. But that's horrid. I've complained before. No lettuce. Holy crap. No lettuce whatsoever. You guys ready? Melted yet?
Pretty damn close.
So, wow. It is frickin' hot. Over here it says 121.
I believe it.
Okay. Recording. Hello? So yeah, we're recording, so give me a minute to put this down. Oh. Damn! Can you guys hear me? I don't know. I don't know. That's the tree stuff up there. That goes into the pool. Huh. Huh. So yeah. Phew. The water thing works. What the fuck? Why'd it go off? I don't know if it did. It didn't.